Okay, g'day. I haven't done any videos for a while. Got to find some hard drives and put up some videos of some other things I've done in the past. Adventure-wise, things haven't turned out the way the channel's named, but nevertheless, I bought this watch 6 months ago. It's automatic, and it stopped on me about 3 times. So a lot of the jewelers around my area seem to be all selling similar watches. It's very hard to find one that you like that's different from all the others. Yes, I wanted to see it at night time. Yes, I like a clock face. Yes, I like it waterproof, and I want the day and date. Although I can't see the day and date without my glasses on, but nevertheless, that's what I wanted to see. Maybe my next one might be digital. So the automatics today are not like the automatics of old, where they were run for a week, no problem. All you have to do is wear it. These ones now you got to wind up manually. You can get automatics, I suppose, wind ups, or there's a combination of both, battery and wind, or something like that. Sounded a bit complicated. Anyway, so just going to go through a few pointers here. So to wind, yeah, I've seen a few videos where they say to wind a certain number of times. I found that to be somewhat true, and every morning or whenever you can, take your watch off and give it a few winds. Wearing it alone is not going to keep the watch in time. It has to have more wind. It has a spring in there apparently that you're winding up to, and sometimes it just pays to do a bit of both. So I'll give you the sound of the spring in here at the moment. I'll let it wind out a bit because I don't know if you can hear that. Sometimes it's a bit looser than what you can hear. You can hear it now. Anyway, so as you wind, you'll feel it get a little bit firmer. I don't know if you can overwind them. I guess being silly, you probably could. Just do what's needed and you'll hear that noise actually sound a lot less. Then you know you've got a good number of wind-ups. And I guess that's important if you want to keep track of time. So yeah, wind away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now I've done 50 turns there, and I'll probably do a few more turns tonight before I'm not wearing it. When I'm sometimes at home, I don't wear it unless I need to. So you don't have to count the turns, just keep winding. It's a bit of a pain, but they don't make watches like they used to. And you know, unfortunately things don't last much these days. It's all about the dollar, not about the material. So that's it for this video, pretty short and sweet. There's different kinds of watches that run differently. Some are solar, battery, automatic, yeah, combinations, all sorts of stuff. A watch isn't a watch anymore. Just want something basic. This is probably basic as you can get without going digital. Retail is about $4.50. Got it on special for $3. Gave it a go. A bit disappointed with it stopping. I was going to take it back, but I've learnt a bit this time. The strap may be silicone. I think in the older days they were rubber, and if you're using petroleum hand wash to clean your hands, after a while the watch actually gets brittle and will crack and break in the holes here. Then you have to go and get a new band. I think if that happened to this, I'd probably just go to steel band. But you got to watch out, because sometimes with the straps on my last watch, it broke away from here. It was this part here that was missing that I couldn't redo. So be aware of that. Alright, thanks for watching.